welcome to Curry TV. Have you ever tried pepper chicken before? Well, pepper chicken we can use it for parathas, chapatis, anything. It's a side dish. It's a really nice dish. Just with few ingredients we can make this authentic version of it. So let me show you how this is made and what all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We're cooking all this in coconut oil. So I'll tell you how much we're going to be using. I got 5 green chilies, 2 small pieces of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 sprig of curry leaves, and I have 1 Roman-sized tomato, very thinly sliced, and half of a red onion, thinly sliced. I'm using black peppercorns here. We need coriander powder, garam masala, and turmeric powder. To season all this, we need salt. That is according to your desire. This is 2 pounds of thighs, which I've cut into 3 equal parts. So each thigh so we'll get a smaller chunks in here. I'll show you the sizes, and we're going to be crushing a lot of these ingredients together. So let's start our stove. While the pan is heating up, let's crush together all of our garlic and ginger. Okay, I got my ginger and garlic all crushed. Let's crush our green chilies along. Okay, into this we are going to add all of our peppercorns. So this is 2 tablespoons of peppercorn that I'm using. Okay, our pan is nice and hot. Let's pour in 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay, oil is nice and hot. Let's add in all our crushed ingredients, which is our garlic, ginger, green chilies, and peppercorns. Okay, let's saute this. Perfect. Now let's add all of our red onion. Okay, this will take anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes for that onion to swell and just come all sauteed well together. To speed up the process, we can season this with a little bit of salt. That's half a teaspoon of salt into our onion mix. Let's also add a little bit of curry leaves into this. I got 1 sprig ready. I'm just putting half right now. Very good. Okay, this is coming on perfect. Let's get our spices going. This is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3/4, it's already measured out. 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. And half a teaspoon of garam masala. Okay, beautiful. It's coming along just perfect. Wonderful. So our spices is well sauteed in that coconut oil along with that ginger, garlic, and peppercorns. Now you can control the spiciness according to your desire. So if you don't want to use 5 green chilies, that's fine, reduce it, or if you want to increase it, you can do that too. The black peppercorns, I didn't crush it to fine powder, so in between you should be able to bite into it. Okay, right now we need to add in all our chicken into our dish. Let's mix it all together. Make sure that chicken gets well coated in that spices. So the cooking time for the chicken is about 15 minutes. So we're going to cover this and cook for 10 minutes, and then we're going to check back and stir it in between, and then we'll finish it off. It's time to check on our chicken. Voila. Okay, so the stock from the chicken is what we have right now. If you like to, you can thicken this gravy. Very, very good. Smells good. I like it. I like it. Because we didn't add any red chili powder to it, the color is yellow. So it's a different taste, look, texture, everything. It's really good with appam or idiyappam, parathas, chapati. Now you can check your salt. I prefer a little bit more, so I only added half a teaspoon. We're going to add another half a teaspoon into it. And our tomato. This is one Roma sized tomato that I thinly sliced. Let's mix it all up. This dish is almost done, so in another 4 to 5 minutes it will be cooked completely. So I like to open and cook for the rest of the 5 minutes. Okay, we also will garnish it with some fresh curry leaves, and when we are serving it, you can actually use cilantro if you prefer. So 5 minutes, and then I'll show you how that looks like. Okay, it's time to check. So our dish is completely done. It's really smells amazing, very tempting. You could have this with appam, bread. To be honest with you, paratha would be the best one right now. Anyway, so let's transfer all this into our serving dish, and I'll show you how that looks like. So just like that, an easy pepper chicken is ready. You could garnish it with any of your choice, tomatoes, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, or cilantro. I think this is just fine as it is, and it's a very tasty dish. I wish you will try this. I know you will try it because this is very simple. Just few ingredients, you can make an authentic Kerala style pepper chicken. So thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. I hope you are keeping yourself safe and everybody around you safe. Keep that positivity going. For all those love and those pouring blessings that you guys been giving us, thank you so much. Keep on coming. We love that. And to those who have already commented in our comments down below, thank you. We appreciate it. We love to hear your feedback. So this is how I can fine tune myself. Everybody is creative. So let's keep on trying, cooking, and learn together. And I'll see you guys next time on Curry TV. Thank you. Bye-bye.